नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अजय जाटोलिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we will discuss about health information and basic statistics part 2. Health manpower statistic. Number of physicians by age, sex, specialty and place of work. Dentists classified in the same way. Pharmacists, veterinarians, hospital nurses, medical technicians, etc. Their records are maintained by the state medical, dental, nursing councils and the Di- Directorate of Medical Education. Population surveys related to any aspect of health, morbidity, mortality, nutritional status, etc. Health interview, face-to-face survey, health examination survey, health record survey, mailed questionnaire survey. Other routine statistics related to health, demographic, population density, movement and educational level, economic information concerning per capita income, employment and unemployment data, social security schemes, occurrence of illnesses in the insured population, non-qualifiable information, information on health policies, health legislation, public attitudes, program, cost, procedures, and technology. Elementary statistical methods. Data is first obtained, which is subsequently classified, analyzed, and tested for accuracy by statistical methods. Data that is obtained directly from an individual is called primary data. Data that is obtained from outside source is called secondary data. Example, hospital records, census data. Presentation of statistical data. Tables, charts, diagrams, graphs, pictures, spatial curves. Statistical averages. Arithmetic mean the individual observations are first added together and then divided by the number of observations. Median, the data is first arranged in an ascending or descending order of magnitude and then the value of the middle observation is located, which is called the median. Mode, the commonly occurring value in a distribution of data. Measures of dispersion, individual variations that vary from person to person. Range, mean or average deviation, standard deviation. Range, it is simplest measure of dispersion. Range is defined as the difference between the highest and lowest figures in a given sample. The mean deviation. It is the average of the deviations from the arithmetic mean. The standard deviation. Most frequently used measure of deviation. It is defined as root means square deviation. Normal distribution curve. Normal curve is an important concept in statistical theory. Sampling. When a large proportion of individuals or items or units have to be studied, we take a sample. Sampling methods. Simple random sample, systematic random sample, stratified random sample. Sampling errors. The type of variation in result from one sample to another due to repeated samples from the same population is called sampling error. Factors influencing sample size, variability of the individual readings, non-sampling errors, errors due to inadequately calibrated instruments, observe variation, incomplete coverage achieved, and conceptual errors. Non-sampling errors are more important than the sampling errors. Standard error. The standard deviation of the mean is a measure of the sample error and is given by the formula which is called the standard error or the standard error of the mean. Test of significance. Standard error of the mean, standard error of the proportion, standard error of difference, standard error of difference between the two proportions, chi-square test, and alternate method of testing the significance of difference between two proportions. It has the advantage that it can also be used when more than two groups are to be compared. Test the null hypothesis, applying the chi-square test, finding the degree of freedom probability tables, correlation and regression. Correlation whether where is linear related between two variables, for example, height and weight, temperature and pulse, age and vital capacity, etc. The correlation coefficient R tends to lie between 1.0 and plus 1.0. Regression to noun is in an individual case the value of one variable knowing the value of the other. We calculate what is known as the regression coefficient. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.